Two things in the world will never abandon you: the eye of God, which always sees you, and the heart of the mother that always follows you. There is a care in the universe, and the Mother of God is given to us as a caring mother. In the miraculous middle we have the rays that come from her hands. And the explanation is that the graces come through her intercession, mediatrix of all graces. It was on this day in 1976 that I went into the cloister. I remember sitting on that same day in 1981 while studying, and the bell rang and reminded me of that moment of crossing the threshold of the Carthusian house, alas, long since closed. And in the Carthusian life, all is rhythmed, punctuated by the bell. It goes not only each quarter, but there's the 4-quarter l'avant-quart, which rings as a preparatory bang, a gong, which if there's something to happen, then gets us ready. And time goes on even while the brethren sleep beneath their anonymous cross. So it was that I quietly mused on the passage of time on this feast of our Blessed Lady, recurring on the 8th of September. And each year the thought returns. A distraction during morning study. Now, as I write, I think again how at this hour, on this great day, I took one step or one small stone and left the world behind for 11 o'clock was striking then, as it rings now within mine ears. The only sound that I have heard through these 5 solitary ears. Ring on, I listen to your song. Ring on, your voice alone may speak. Ring on, as you have done each quarter, each hour, each day, each week. The sound of time, the only sound that reaches a Carthusian's ears. Thou knowest not, as every hour thou strikest, what its joys, its tears. To thee each one is as the last. It comes, it goes, it comes again, as round and round thou turnest me, while sun doth rise and moon doth wane. O Lord, my Lord, did Jewry too have engines that their makers rule? Long, long ago, when thou wast here, in solitude's unchanging school.